what is the value of Ex? Whereas the mass of a bomb in a simple pendulum increased thrice its original mass and its length is made half of its original length. And the time period will be equal to x over times the original time period. And the question here is about finding this x value only. It's known that the time period of a simple pendulum can be calculated using a formula 2 pi root of L over G, whereas L is representing the value of length and G is representing the value of gravity, T is representing the value of time period. So here we can say this is our original value of time period. Now there will be the new time period when there is a change in a length. So here we can write 2 pi root of L over 2 because it's given in the question. The length is made up of half of its original length. So here I'm writing L over 2 divided by G. So here we can write 2 pi root of L over 2G. Again, this can be written as 2 pi divided by root 2 times L over G. Or else we can write T nu will be equal to, this is our original value, right? So we can write 1 over root 2 times T. So this is a value of new time period. So it's given in the question, the new time period will be equal to x over 2 times of its original. So here we have to change the denominator into 2 then. So for that, we can multiply root 2 on up and down side on the T new equation. So Tn will be equal to root 2 divided by root 2 times root 2 times T naught. So which will be equal to root 2 divided by 2 times T naught. So based on our given question, the time period, new time period will be equal to x over 2 times T naught. So we can say the x will here, so the x will be equal here as, so the value of x will be equal to root 2 here then. So the correct answer for the question is option D.